Father's Day 2021, and my baby girl got me my very first Cigar of the Month Club subscription. I've been wanting one, and I gave it to her as an option, and that's what she bought. So, you all get to see this along with me. Let's see what we have here. All right. Congratulations and welcome. It is our pleasure to welcome you to the original Premium Cigar Club. Dear Dad, happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you. From Baby G, that's the name I call her. So, the one she got me is 5 cigars per shipment. So that's awesome. And you know, you're always going to have your descriptions. So they have Flower of the Month Club, Chocolate of the Month, blah, blah, blah. You got to have your sales paperwork. Society brief. All right. So it looks like this is what's in there. So let's have a quick look. La Palina, El Año 1896 Oscuro. Wow, looking forward to that one. And then the 601 series Green Oscuro, Cane Habano F Robusto, Sonador by Plasencia Habano Corojo Toro Grande, and the Villazon Natural Bellicoso. I've had the Villazons before, maybe not that one. Wasn't thrilled with it. But I have been kind of getting into the Oscuros, so that is pretty good. And here's what they say about the Villazon. Although Villazon isn't a household name just yet, the Villazon factory is world-renowned, and some consider it a landmark within the cigar industry. Okay, you say so. So here we are. Let's open it up and have a look at these sticks. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies, brothers and sisters of belief. 69% Boveda pack. It's not brand new, but it's not old. So here's the 601. That's an Oscuro. I read that already. 5 by 52 Nicaragua. They rated a 92. That's a panel rating, so you don't know if, you know, who it is. All right. And then the Cane Habano F Robusto. And that is a 5 3/4 by 50. They say the strength on this one is 9. The strength on the 601 was an 8. Also Nicaragua, rated 93. This one is the 18. Wait a minute, this doesn't seem to match. This stick says it's the premium handmade Villager 125 1888 2013. I don't see that on there. Do you all see this? Look. Huh. Okay. No, not on the paper on this side. No, they sent the wrong one here. So now we're gonna have fun finding out which one they missed. All right, so let's sit that over to the side. Here's the La Palina, the Oscuro right there at the top. Robusto 5.5 by 52, strength 7, Dominican Republic, rated at 91. Okay, and then Perla del Mar Maduro. Yeah, that's not on there either. 18.95. Huh. This is the J.C. Newman. Yeah. Okay, well, that's interesting how they changed it up and didn't send the right ones. Okay, so here's the 601. Here's the La Palina. Okay, so these two I have right here. And then here's the cane, right? That's that one. So this and this, which I wasn't even looking forward to anyway, not there. So instead of those two, I've got these. So maybe somewhere in the documentation it'll state that there's a chance that things changed at the last minute, but we shall see. So anyway, that's the first box of my Cigar of the Month shipment. Thank you all for viewing, and hopefully soon I will be posting videos of my reviews. Have a great one.